finally here. I have been waiting so long for this camera to come. I'm so excited. Now I can open it. Oh my god. Why is it so difficult to open? I'm so dumb. It has a plastic around it, and I thought that I have to open it here, but I have to take the plastic around it. I have to get rid of it first and then open that green mark here. Yeah. It's a challenge to open. I should have brought a scissor with me, but I haven't, and I don't want to stand out. But I did make it. Yay! This is the Osmo Pocket 3. I saw it on YouTube and thought it is amazing because right now I'm filming with my iPhone and it's very difficult because the camera on the front, the front camera isn't as good as the camera on the back, and so I have to film with the camera on the back, but then I can see myself, and it's a hustle to find out if everything is in the scene, because if I don't see, I don't know if I am in the picture. As I was saying, this is amazing because now I have this what's the name? The screen. I'm so sorry. Because it has the screen on here and the camera can do 160 degrees. I don't think it's degrees, but I don't know what the word is right now. I'm so sorry, my English is so bad, but I'm working on it, so please write in the comments if it's degrees, angle. No, I think it's angle. It's angle. No, it's not angle. I don't know. Help me in the comments. Yes, and then I can film me and see what I'm doing, because right now I don't know if you can see everything. But I hope it works out, because I don't want to do this again, and it's a one shot, because I cannot wrap everything again to do the take another time. And yes, I bought the creator combo because it was €100 more expensive, but you have all these things included, and I thought it is worth it because buying only the camera doesn't make that much sense. I see that everything is wobbling. I hope the video isn't always wobbling. I'm so sorry. It's my table. It's a little bit wobbly. I love the smell of new. It's like the Apple things. When you buy new Apple things, phone, So this is how it looks. I hope you can see everything. Let's do this first. Came this and the physical case. Carrying back. I'm so thankful that everything is described here, so I don't have to Google what the name is. Something in Japanese. Light cut. I think it's an editing program, but I'm not sure what it is. Here's some stickers. That's amazing. There are a lot of them, a lot of stickers. Cool. Apple used to do that, but they don't ship stickers with the item you buy anymore. They don't do that anymore, which is sad. I do like the stickers. Here are the instructions with the picture. That's cool because I don't like to read instructions. I find it easier to with a picture because I'm lazy. Yeah, more descriptions and safety guidelines. Yeah, that's not cool. That's alright. In here we have the take a look, protective cover. I don't like to unpack things because I love when it's so tidy and wrapped up. Do you say wrapped up? It looks so clean and taken care of. What is this? Here are the instructions how you place the camera in the safety cover. Not that name. Protective cover. In the I forgot the name in seconds. Yes, the protective cover. It has, I think it has space for the lens, the wide angle lens, black pro lens. I don't know what that is. Moving on to the what's the name? Carrying back. I mean, it's such a mess. I would like to see all the plastic laying around. Yes, I'm a little bit I have a little bit do you say OCD? Obsessive order? Obsessive order? Order. I don't know. I like when everything is in order. I don't like things laying around all over the place. It makes me nervous. I don't think this. More things in Japanese. DJI isn't a Japanese brand, isn't it? Is DJI Japanese? I don't think DJI is Japanese, is it? How do I find out without googling it? I can see well. I don't have my lens on, so I cannot see that well. But made for iPhone. I don't use Japanese license. Is this DJI Japanese? As you can see, I'm not that informed. My brother also had that. Yes, I'm so sorry for DJIs if I'm starting to believe that DJI is Japanese because it's everywhere the Japanese kanji, and it's kanji, hiragana, and katakana. So moving on the carrying bag, I almost forgot again. Ooh, this is what it looks inside. I love it. It's so organized. Oh my god. This makes me happy. I love when things are organized. Oh my god. I love it. It's everything is so packed in their little plastic. I think it's a little bit too much plastic, but I think it's for the people that buy it, so that they can see it's new. Because when you buy something and it's not packed in these little plastic things, you have this feeling of, is it really new? And these are the little batteries, the extra batteries. Do you say battery? I have the feeling that I'm pronouncing it wrong. I hope you understand what I mean. This is not a battery, it's just a handle because with the screen, the handle it's too short, and then this is I'm so sorry. This is an extension, so you can hold it better. And this is a handle and a battery. Yeah, that is what it is. What is this? Oh, it's a little magnet for the microphone, so you can just clip it so you can clip it on the clothes. I will leave that so. Then here you have the charger and the little fluff thing for the microphone. I love it. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's so soft. I love those things. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I will leave it in there as well, so it doesn't get dirty. Here is the microphone. Well, it's so little. I thought it would be bigger. I'm surprised actually that it's so little. I find very cool that it's transparent, so you can see the inside. Oh, I'm so excited to try it out. The little handle. It has this to make it tighter, so it doesn't. I'm so sorry. The words today I had they don't want to cooperate with me, so it doesn't slip. Slip is the word. The little tripod. Isn't it cute? Look how cute this is. I have the Osmo gimbal, and the tripod is the feet are more longer, but I think it's because this physics, because the standing part is much taller, the feet have to be more longer, so otherwise it would how do you say it? It would fall. we will leave it at fall. And here the most important thing, the camera. It smells like new. This is the camera. Here, beautiful. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope it works. Rotate the screen, power on, power off. Show the record button. 5D joystick. Oh, I like the sound of 5D. We will try it out. So if I rotate now the camera, it should get the power on. It's working! Oh my god! So cool. Now the settings. Should I leave it in English or should I change the language? Oh my god. It sounds. Do you hear that? So cool. I think I will leave it in English, but it has a variety of languages. Language. Now it's asking me to connect it with the. Oh my god, the camera is moving so cool. Do you see that? It moves like slow motion. I will do the settings right now, and I hope you like this, and maybe the next time I'm filming me with the Osmo Pocket 3. Bye!